are at the Hilton Bentley South Beach. This is another room tour. Today we are looking at a one-bedroom suite, room 1002, partial ocean view. Let's check it out. Walk in, you have a pretty nice sized living room here. You got a pull-out sofa sleeper. And then you do have a full kitchen, stovetop, big refrigerator, coffee, snacks. And then walk into the bedroom, king-size bed. Looks like you got a tiny little balcony off to the side here with your partial ocean views. Well, ocean views, just not ocean front. So you got a little table and chairs. Now let's check out the bathroom. This bathroom has single sink. Does have a bidet toilet and a stand-up shower. Pretty nice room. Thank you everybody for watching.